Hey everybody, it's Mike here. Long time no see. Today I'm out here to finally go fly the Tinyhawk 2 Freestyle, and I've got a new contraption I'm putting on it. Kind of thought about this, and B-Rad helped me out with it, and we created a battery holder slash camera holder for the Tinyhawk 2 Freestyle. So we're going to see how it flies today with my limited skill flying FPV, and we'll see how it goes. So let's see what happens. Oh, by the way, this camera is a $40 thumb cam, shoots in 1080, and it shoots an AVI file. So it's nothing spectacular, not a Insta360 or anything like that, but it's something cheap that I can throw on this thing and not have to worry about it if it gets crunched. I mean, 40 bucks is 40 bucks, but you know, what are you going to do? Better than $350. So we'll see how this one works as far as the camera goes, and we'll see how well the Tinyhawk handles the little extra weight on the top there with that camera. Let's go. Well, right off the bat, the audio is absolutely horrible for using on an FPV drone. That being said, the video was way better than I expected. Again, it only shoots in a 1080 AVI file, so not the greatest, but it beats the video recorded through the analog camera on the drone being sent through my SkyDroid receiver hooked to my phone. Hey, that's a rhyme. But overall, I'm pretty happy with the results. I do need to adjust the angle of the camera a little bit, but that's about it. So for $29, the camera's not bad. It'll work for now. What do you guys think? Is it worth the 29 bucks for this camera? Let me know in the comments below. Well, that went a lot better than I thought it was going to be. After not flying for probably a year, so just life coming up and not having the time to come out, then summertime hits and it's 115, and I ain't standing out here in 115. So anyway, that went a lot better than I thought it was going to do. The drone itself actually handled the weight of the camera and flew fairly decently, because the battery fills in right here normally, so the only weight we're adding is just this and the camera, and it's hardly anything on there, but it did very well, so I'm happy with it. thanks to Brad Alston for helping me out with this thing. He's the master when it comes to 3D printing. That is for sure. Without him, I wouldn't have been able to do this. He walked me through everything, showed me how to do stuff on Tinkercad, and I came up with a design, and he refined it, and everything was good. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you on the next one. See ya.